Hello backers, and basically a very warm welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we'll be making a haggis pasta bake. Okay, so the things you need for this is 500 grams of pasta, 100 grams of frozen peas, 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of plain flour, 600 millimeters of milk, mustard, 125 grams of cheese, grated cheese, and 145 grams of haggis, and 4 spring onions sliced, and 198 grams of sweet corn drained, some seasoning as well, and some Worcestershire sauce. That's completely optional. Right, so what I'm doing now is melting the butter down. Right, I'm stirring in the flour now. Gradually it's getting to be a doughy, it's getting into a doughy consistency. Okay, so when it gets to this consistency, just add the milk. Right, so what you need to do now is whisk constantly. Once some of the lumps have gone, just bring to a boil and also stir often. Okay, so bring a pan to the boil and add in the pasta. Right, so the cream sauce should be having a thick consistency like so. Okay, so you should be stirring the pasta on occasions, and it should be boiling for 8 minutes round about. Right now it's the final 3 minutes, so I'm going to add the peas. Stirring. You noticed on my last pasta bake video I made a little bit of a boo-boo, and this apparently is the correct way of doing it. So okay, so I'm going to drain out pasta. Okay, so I've put the pasta into the bowl where the sauce is. I'm also putting a tablespoon of mustard in, and I'm going to put my peas in, my sweet corn in, my diced onions, and of course the haggis in, and start mixing. Until all the pasta is completely coated in the sauce. And also add some seasoning, and I'm seasoning it well. Right, so I'm putting this into a baking dish. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle sort of grated cheese all over this before I put it in the oven. And I'm also going to season it in a minute with Worcestershire sauce as well. Right, okay, so now I'm going to sprinkle it with evenly with Worcestershire sauce and season it well with it, because Worcestershire sauce and cheese mix really well, and basically slam it into the oven. Right, so I did slam it in the oven for 20 minutes, but basically you should leave it baking until it's nice and golden like this. Right, so basically this was from Barbara Freeman's book You Can Cook, which I'll leave a description, which I'll leave a link for if you want to order one or online. But I followed all the same formula as my tuna pasta bake one, but except obviously instead of tuna, I replaced it with haggis. Okay, so remember, guys, again, YouTube is taking off YouTubers, subscribers, unsubscribing people from channels. So if you're still interested in my content, please do make sure regularly that you're subscribed to my channel. Okay, so as always, if you're autistic and want to learn to cook, or just basically want to learn to cook for the hell of it, do remember, subscribe and press the like, give this video a like, because it helps the algorithm. And as always, I have your back.